but I wanted to bring you guys the first unboxing on the toolbox. I mean, it is a tool, so I figured it'd go great with this video, and I don't want to do just unboxings, so they're not the funnest. But this is from Ohio Power Tools. Let me show you the little logo thing. Ohio Power Tools. So I don't know how well you could have seen that, but I got this for work. I really needed it for work, and I got a really good deal on it. We'll go over the deal in a minute. So let's unbox it. Oh gosh dang! Oh wow! We got an M12. Well, a 12-0 with a fast charger, the rapid charger. Milwaukee. It's freaking full-on legit. You know, that's a pretty sick kit. We'll put that off to the side. I guess we'll put it out front. And then we got our paperwork, because, you know, that's really important. And another really important part, this is actually the biggest reason why I bought it. I got a Sawzall. I got the Milwaukee Fuel Sawzall. It's the M18. Yeah, up to 5 times longer, 2 times run time. Weight cuts faster than corded. And that's everything in this box. I was kind of hoping they'd be stickers, but can't always get stickers. But check that out. We're getting more Milwaukee stuff. As you can see right here, I got a Milwaukee charger. That's just a standard charger. It's because I have my drills. That came with that. So yeah, let's go ahead. This is a tool only. I'm gonna open everything. So cue the time lapse. Alright, that was the unboxing of that. We got a 12-0 battery. Put the 12-0 on the Sawzall. And it does have a little bit of a charge. Yeah, this thing's gonna be awesome. Fuel, baby. I guess we should get the clean side of it. 12-0 battery. A little heavier than the others. My dad's DeWalt Sawzall, but you know, it's cordless. I don't have to worry about going and getting a cord. I got the rapid charger with it, and you know, speaking of getting the rapid charger with it, let's try out our new toolbox. It's got a plug on the side. We'll pull this out and get a little longer, more cord. Put this here, we'll run it down this handle. Boom. Plugged in. Rapid charger. Do these not snap in? Charging, rapid charger, regular charger. I gotta decide. I'm probably gonna put the rapid charger right here. Heck, I actually think I might put both right here, mounted on the side of the toe block. So let me know. All right, hopefully you enjoyed that. But that's pretty much today's video.